Hello students, today's session I am going to discuss about an important named organic reactions in alcohols, phenols and ethers chapter. Okay, that first reaction is dehydration reaction. In the question paper they repeatedly asked explain the mechanism of acid catalyzed dehydration of ethanol to ethene. That reaction undergo mechanism. The mechanism of dehydration of ethyl alcohol or ethanol heated with concentrated H2SO4 about 443 Kelvin. That temperature is very important, that gives the ethene. Okay, that reaction is CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol or ethanol heated with concentrated H2SO4 gives ethene alkene, that having the double bond. Okay, that reaction involves or that mechanism involves the following steps. First one is the protonation of alcohol. Okay, in that first step, that is the ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Okay, CH3CH2OH. Okay, that protonation, that undergo protonation. Here what happened? This will shift here. That step is first step. It gives the protonated ethanol or ethyl oxonium ion. Okay, that is the CH3CH2OH2. Okay, here having the plus charge, so we named protonated ethanol, also we called as a ethyl oxonium ion. Okay, this one is the ethanol. Then next second step is the formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. Here what happens, students? Again we taken protonated ethanol or ethyl oxonium ion, that is the CH3CH2OH2. Okay, then that step undergo slow. It gives the CH3CH2 formation of a carbocation, that water will remove. Okay, then next step is the elimination of a proton. Elimination of a proton. In this step we taken carbocation. Okay, CH3CH2 plus. Okay, that is the carbon having the plus charge, that's why carbocation. Okay, here what happened? Elimination of proton, that's why this bond will shift here. Okay, here what happened? C double bond C. Okay, this bond will shift here, so that is the formation of a double bond or the elimination of a proton. Okay, this one is the ethene. Okay, that is called as the dehydration reaction or acid catalyzed dehydration of ethanol to ethene. Okay, next one is the in the phenol. Okay, in the phenol, that repeatedly in the question paper they are repeatedly asked how is phenol manufactured by cumin process. Okay, in that one from cumin. Okay, from cumin that is the general or a common name. Cumin is the common name. IUPAC name is the isopropyl benzene. Okay, that is the cumene is formed by the alkylation of benzene with propene in the presence of H3PO4. Okay, or a phosphoric acid. Okay, next that cumene is oxidized in the presence of air to form cumene hydroperoxide. Then it converts the phenol and the byproduct of acetone. Also, we get the byproduct. Okay, that reaction. Benzene, we taken benzene. Okay, benzene is reacts with propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2. Okay, benzene reacts with propene in the presence of H3PO4, that is the phosphoric acid. It forms the cumene or isopropyl benzene. Okay, that is CH3H. That is the isopropyl benzene. Okay, here this one is the benzene, this one is the propene. Okay, why propene? Here double bond is there, 3 carbons are there, that's why we called as the propene. Okay, then here what happened? That question is, how is phenol manufactured by the cumene process? Okay, so we taken isopropyl benzene. Okay, here CH3H. Okay, that cumene or isopropyl benzene is oxidized. Okay, that is the oxidized. Okay, we get cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene undergo oxidation, we get the cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide. That cumene hydroperoxide undergo acidification, it gives the phenol. Okay, it gives phenol and the byproduct is acetone, CH3COCH3. Okay, that is the acetone. This one is the phenol, this one is the acetone. Byproduct is acetone. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Thank you.